Hello, you guys. Welcome back to another one. Today we're going to have a new fun drink to try. Alani. Also, ignore the tree. I took the ornaments off. You just haven't been able to put it up yet, so. So this is a new Alani flavor. This is cherry bomb. And I've never had it, so let's see. Okay, cheers. Oh, okay. It tastes like a Dr. Pepper, like the Dr. Pepper soda. Yes. Or if you guys have ever had a Cheerwine, it's a cherry flavored drink. We mostly sell it in the Carolinas, but I don't know if you guys have it, but it tastes like a Cheerwine. Very good. And then I think these are new. So these are caramel M&M popped. Yes, so the freeze-dried M&Ms. I've never had the freeze-dried ones before, and I think these are new. So we're also going to try these. All right. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Got it. Oh, they smell good. Oh, I love caramel. We say caramel in the South. I know I'm gonna like these, but this is what it looks like. Ooh, These are fantastic. I like these more than the regular M&Ms, like the regular caramel ones. They're so fun to eat, and the caramel doesn't get stuck in your teeth. Got these. I have my Cool Whip. I'm gonna dip it. Well, you guys, these two new items were fantastic. I'm gonna go enjoy my day. You guys have a good one. Bye.